Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Bryson. I'm the fourth generation here at the Parker County Beef Company. My family and I have been raising beef for our own family here for over 100 years here in Springtown, Texas. And we decided last year that we wanted to share that with the rest of our community. And our community is here locally in North Texas, but it's also across the nation. So we ship nationwide every Monday and we sell locally here in Springtown, Texas. We started this company because we wanted to provide our customers and our community with beef they could trust, beef where they knew who was a part of it, what went into it, and how it made it from the pasture to your plate. So if that's something you're interested in, reach out to us wherever you're seeing this video. We'd be glad to talk to you, tell you about our ranch and our family and how we raise great beef.